today we have an unbagging. I already opened this package because I mean now come on here come open no puss in a bag. So I opened the package and I went through thoroughly and I like the product, and so since I like the product I say I should come on here and show you the product. Please comment in the comment section and tell me what do you think it is. All right, so let's get into it. Most another thing it's a cologne or some makeup product, but no, it's something that I'm never come on here and talk about. So ta-da! Yes, I got myself a wig. I got myself a glueless wig from Amazon, and I'm here to show you what it's looking like. So first, let's see what come in the bag with the wig. So we get a dry HD wig cap. This alone is sent in the package. No edge brush, no mirror thing, even though it's a wig. So let's see what else is in the bag. One whole bag. So this is what the wig is looking like, and it's a 26-inch long, and it's a glueless. Me have to look over here so because trust me, me don't know nothing about wigs, so me kind of here prep. Here me kind of prep for the video. So it's 26. It's on the bag also. It's 26-inch. It is a glueless, yes, as I said before. And let me just read what the bag says. We create our product with respect for women at heart. With 30 years, we are dedicated. So it's 100% real human hair, and it's a curly hair, and the hair is from Jenny Furta. I don't know if I saw it go. I'll put the name here so you can see the name. So this is what the wig is looking like. The hair is looking like. Why me I say wig? So this is what it's looking like. Very cute. Simple and nice. Simple and nice. Let me take off this pink from around it so we can see. So it is not really full. I would say it's 70% full. No threading, no fall out, no hair now come out in my hand. So this look like a deep wave, body wave, something. And it has 3 combs, 2 to the front and 1 at the back, and it have a elastic band inside, and this is what you use to secure the wig on your head. So I can just imagine this is going to fit perfectly. It's a glueless, yes. And this is what this is a headband. This is a headband wig, and yeah, this channel is not really a wig, not a wig channel, no, really. It's not a wig channel, so we never come show no this. So yes, it is here for quite some time now. So this is what the wig is looking like, and I cannot wait to rock it. In a shade, I'm happy for that. It's not shedding, no shedding. Love the color. Love the color. So very cute. And if you want, you can If you like, you don't trust the wig, you can just apply some glue to the front and glue it down. Yeah, but it's a pretty decent wig. You can just put it on and go on the shop. Go grab and go, grab and go. And in a previous video, I told you that my hair is falling off because it fell off. I don't know. Me don't never just because me not treat it. Because I don't know. I don't know. I think it's the sickness that took it off. So yes, this is the hair. Alright, this is all I came for. I just came on here to show you my new hair. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. If you like it, please leave a comment in the comment section. Please leave a comment in the comment section if you like the hair. Alright? Yes. But I'm excited to put it on my head. I have to care on my hair really fine for this too. My head big enough, I wonder if this can fit my head. Anyway, this is the wig and I'm going. Please subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, one big up on yourself. Bye.